Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Outlook app when it keeps crashing on your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account so your emails can load properly. This initial step is important because it confirms whether the crashing issue is still occurring before we move forward with the fix. Once your emails have loaded and you've confirmed the problem, we're ready to address the crashing issue. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Apps and Features, then hit Enter. This will open the Apps and Features settings window where we can access the repair tools for Outlook. When the Apps and Features window appears, you'll land directly on the main section. From here, locate the search bar at the top of the window and type in Outlook. This will filter the results and make it easier to find the specific app we need to repair. From the search results that appear, click on the one that shows Microsoft Corporation as its description. Once you click on it, additional options will appear right below the app name. Under the app icon, you'll see a link labeled Advanced Options. Go ahead and click on this link and it will take you to a new window showing the app's specifications and settings. This is where we can access the built-in repair tools that Windows provides for troubleshooting app issues. Now, scroll down through this window until you find a section called Reset. This section contains two important options for fixing app problems. From this section, click on the Repair option. This action will restore and fix any corrupt data files and configuration settings that might be causing your Outlook app to crash repeatedly. The repair process works by scanning the app for damaged or missing files and replacing them without affecting your personal data or email settings. The system will now begin repairing your Outlook app. You may need to wait a moment while the process completes. Once it's done, your Outlook app should stop crashing and function normally again. The repair option is designed specifically to handle these types of issues without requiring a full reinstall, which saves you time and preserves your settings. And that's it. You've successfully repaired your Outlook app and resolved the crashing issue. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.